Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay. This is my channel where I show you how I'm making money with KDP and Etsy, and also I show you how to create colouring pages and that. And this is what we're going to do today, guys. We're going to look at how to create some more colouring pages that I'm going to give away for free. You can use them however you want, yeah. If you're going to use them for your KDP though, but please add to them, yeah. So let's get into it, guys. But before we do, this is my channel. Feel free to come and check it out. I show you interiors, I show you niche ideas to do right now. I show you how to make other free colouring pages and printables and stuff like that, guys. Feel free to come and check it out. Any support is more than welcome. So let's get into it, guys, yeah. So first of all, I go over to Creative Fabrica, yeah. What I do is type in Halloween or whatever you're looking for, digital print, yeah. You can just type in digital print and bring you all sorts of different ones, guys. It's so cool. And yeah, what you do, you're looking for one minute, I've typed it right now. Digital prints, yeah. You're looking for, I'm not sure why it's not showing up. Let me just type in digital prints. Oh, there, I've clicked on something. Digital prints. Yeah. Oh, sorry, no, silly me. Yeah, Halloween digital. Digital stamps, guys, yeah, not prints, stamps. Not just what stamp. Oh God. Yeah, digital stamps. And look, you can get all these ones like cute mummies, little devils, werewolves, monsters, vampires, Halloween. Yeah, lots of different ones, a little bit more Halloween. And what you do, download them, I click on them, yeah. And if you've got a subscription, they're free, guys. If you've not, then you've got to pay for them. I'm not sure how much they are, but I'll leave the link in the description if you want to go and check them out, guys. And I've downloaded them all, and then I'll upload them to Capcom, like this. That's what I've done. I've done Halloween characters, I've downloaded all the different ones, guys. And all we're going to do today, if you look at this, I've got all these different ones so far from it, yeah. So I've got like Halloween ones, I can do lots of different ones, yeah. Then I've got more Halloween ones and then characters, and this is what we're going to do today. So what I was doing then is I've made this like border on it, so you can cut them out if you want. I've put this little thing in, more Christmas Everyday Club, just a bit of promotion, guys. But yeah, let's get into it. So we can we'll this guy on it, yeah, and you can put text and all that, guys. But we'll just make some simple ones here. We'll have down here like that. Maybe have a big moon behind him. Don't want it. Let's move this out of the way. Let's put this down here, yeah? We're going off the screen, guys. I don't know where I've gone, guys. I've gone off the screen somewhere. Right, we're back. So let's leave us there like that. Yeah, and then what I'll do, I just bring this like that, and bring it down, put it in there. Position it, you put it, sorry, position it, you put it backwards, yeah, so it's behind like the border kind of thing. And you can, no, we'll make it so it looks like he's scary, yeah. It's this. Yeah, and this is all I'm doing, and just putting things like that so we can have that on it. Just make it simple. A bit of that. A bit smaller. I'm just kind of winging it, but like getting rid of some of the background kind of thing, so we don't need that. Position this right at the back so it's behind the moon as well, kind of thing, yeah. people colour it in. Block that as well, so we've got like a portion kind of thing, yeah. Position that at the back. Yeah, and there's a simple Halloween. It's got some spooky things on it, yeah. And that's how simple it is. Kids love colouring it. So we'll make another one, yeah. Some simple. We'll get some. I don't know. Let's have a bat on it, yeah. Let's have a bat up here. Yeah, that's a bat there. Oh yeah. A vampire boy. Bats and vampires go together, don't they? Yeah, so got that kind of thing, and then coffin. We'll make it a bit bigger, yeah. But push it behind. And this can go kind of like that. So we'll go background, yeah. And another simple one, guys, yeah. Easy to create. Another one. Let's do another one. What should we have this time? Let's have a vampire boy. Kind of a suit. No, it's not a superhero. He's just got a cape on it. See what I mean? Yeah. And then we'll have come over the background. Just play around with it, guys. This is all I do. I just enjoy it. I mean, we come off this, we go back into Halloween mode. So we've got it. We'll have that in the background, I suppose. Make it bigger though, so kind of. I don't know how this is going to look to be fair now. Position it backward behind him, yeah? Nah, not like that. Let's not do it. Don't like it. Right, so let's find something for behind him. Apologise for not speaking much, guys. Possibly. And we could have like this could be a bit more for the older kind of kids. There's quite a lot going on in this picture, isn't it? A little girl in there. Yeah, so it's a lot going on, guys, I know, but it's another one. We can easily make another one. Boo. That's what we're and the bubby girl. Birds on there. Skull on it as well, guys. Turn it a bit. There. You just wing it, guys, don't you? Play around with it. Background. I suppose so, yeah. These are free anyway, guys. What more do you want? Yeah, a little pumpkin on it. A bit more like Halloween. A pumpkin with lots of sweets and treats. We'll have a bat, kind of like little bats, yeah. Another one there. over. It's flying high. We'll have a tombstone, yeah, we'll have that. What's that there? A lollipop. No. Let's get rid of that one. This we'll have at the back. Maybe put the bat over here a little bit. Just something simple, guys. Yeah, you can even put text and put something spooky like let's put a witch's cauldron. We'll do text in a minute, guys. I'll show you can do text. We'll have a witch. Just on the floor behind cauldron. A witch's wand. Background, have a little pumpkin head thing, and we will have some bubbles. Keep it simple, isn't it? Right, these are my space ones I've done, so just what I'll do, I'll just create some more pages, delete these. I mean, I've made so far, because I'm going to give you as many as I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've made 6 already, yeah. Make 2 more, but make one with text, yeah. There's a text on there. Ooh, this looks like a big scary one coming like. Let's get some text. Don't know if that's how you do it, but let's go to effects. I go to hollow, yeah. Just do it. It looks rubbish, but never mind, guys. It's just for free. Yeah, don't worry. It's just for free. Let's make one more. Alright, there we go. Love, and I spelt it wrong. Duplicate that. Halloween. Yeah, so let's make this bigger. We'll make it 70 or something, yeah. Put it in the middle. Make that to 70. Make that to 70. We just move that back up there like that. Yep. And we'll put that in. Thick line I always go for, guys. So let's go back down to our digital stamps. I'm just going to Halloween too. No, we're going to yeah, we'll try this one. This one's more like cute thing, isn't it? What's this? Love that dude. Keep it like that, or you can add to it, guys. Not sure what else we can put on it. Let's go into the characters. See if there's anything in here we can use. We'll keep it at that, guys. Yeah. So I just made it. Oh, a minute. You want to colour these in the way, so effects. What's a hollow, yeah? Hollow and hollow, yeah? So you can colour them in. Needs to be here, don't maybe that. Make it smaller. Yeah, and there you are, guys. So that is it for today. I will upload them to this. It's called ChristmasEverydayClub.com, guys. If you scroll down, yeah, we've got a blog section, yeah, so you can read all about different blogs and stuff like that, all different stories and that. Then you've got colouring pages, yeah, and you've got different ones. We've got space ones, we've got Christmas ones, 4th of July, Mother's Day, campaign, right? But if you click on freebies, it'll bring up all the different pages with all freebies on, right? But if you just want colouring pages, click on colouring pages, yeah? You click on any of these, but this is a quick way. Then it'll bring up all these, yeah? So you've got your camping ones, you've got your space, you've got your Christmas, Mother's Day, 4th of July, Easter, you've got different topics, yeah? And when I do random ones, I'm going to add them into different topics, but Halloween's going to have its own page, guys. So like Easter's got its own page, Christmas got its own page, Mother's Day's got its own page, Halloween's got its own page. So it'll be the first one. So when you come on here, if you've just watched this video when it's first uploaded, and you come over here, yeah, you will come down to here, and it should be here. If it's not there, and I've already made another video about something else, then it'll be here, yeah. It'll be one of these here. But if not, if you can't find it, click on colouring pages. Scroll down to where it says Halloween, and they are free, guys. Same with all these, you're free to use them however you want. Come back as many times as you want, and don't forget to come and join the forum, guys. Yeah, if you join the forum, let me show you. Join the forum here. You can there's announcements of when we're uploading more, and like if you scroll down, I think it's yeah, free printables. I upload what I'm making and what. If you want any ideas and you want like different topics, different themes, and stuff like that, just come over here and let me know, guys, and I'll make them for you guys. Yeah, that's how easy it is. Now, like I said, if you're new here, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I know it dragged on a bit. I know I don't always talk, but hope you got the gist of it. And feel free to check out any of these. Yeah, guys. All the support I love. So thanks very much. Until next time. Goodbye.